Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to unmute a story on Instagram. Whether you accidentally muted someone's story or you just want to unmute it, we'll guide you through the steps. First, go to your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile icon. Tap the three lines icon in the top right corner and select Settings at the middle of the screen. In the Settings menu, select Privacy and then scroll down until you find Muted Accounts button. After you tap on the muted account, a list of accounts that you have muted will appear like this. Please find the account whose story you want to unmute and tap on it. Open the story that you want to unmute and simply tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Then, select Unmute Story from the menu. That's it. You've successfully unmuted a story on Instagram. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to see the stories of the accounts that you've muted in no time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks.